So we're at Rockley Park today. It's high tide. We should be able to have a good frisbee throw today. Look at the beautiful views. Ha! Can't, it's foggy. Absolutely nothing to see. Let's hope the tide isn't too high, otherwise walking around is going to be a nightmare. Oh, look at it, it's like a mill pond. Absolutely nothing to see, except Rusty down there waiting for me to throw a frisbee. Morning, big dog. You ready? Thank you. Perfect tide height, because low tide this is out miles and it's just muddy and horrible, but this is perfect. Oops. Thank you, Rusty. There's a good boy. Why, thank you, Pepper. So, this is a Zeus frisbee, and it floats, which is way better than the Kong ones I absolutely love. Who's going to go? Oh. Bit slippy underfoot. What's wrong with you? You've got to get wet in a minute, sweetie. Oh, Pepper. Good boy, Rusty. Well, I am gutted it's foggy. So Pepper's not playing ball today. She's going to be bird hunting. First victim about to get pounced. She's proper lost her bottle. What's going on, Peps? What's up there? What is it? Right, so he's hidden the frisbee. Now I've got to try and find it. Nice Nike Air Max 95. Oh look, thankfully I saw him put it down. You ready? Go. Pepper, why are you not going in? Well, this is going to be a boring frisbee day. Pepper's not playing ball. Okay, so he should be hiding the frisbee about now. He'll come out looking all innocent. Oh no! Oh, okay, she might be playing ball. Here we go. Okay, so we've got Pepper involved. Thank you, my little darling. Okay, this one's for you. Ready? Go! Views of Browncy Island, Round Island, look at it, Long Island. You see the pier. It's so foggy. Look at the state of it. Rusty, this one's for you, buddy, go. Soft underfoot. Well done, buddy. Normally you're by the shoreline quivering to get off of him. What's wrong with you today, Pepper? Thank you. Rusty, no. What you got? Is it a frisbee? Oh, you ready? Okay, this one's for you, Pepper. It's going long down the beach. Yeah, go. No hesitation. Oh, not exactly clear enough, but I can see the pier. There's nobody else walking the beach as far as I can see. You're not going to meet any little doggies today. Rusty, this one's on you. Oh no. Okay. Normally Rusty gets the far ones. What's up, big dog? Good girl. Ah, man, I've got to try and stop her doing that. Time to throw it, it ducks down. Ah. What you got, Rusty? What is it? What is it? Find it. No, he's either seeing crabs. What is it? Find it. Thank you, Pepper. That's better. Didn't fall down. What is it, Rusty? It's not crabs, it's seaweed. He's being a muppet. Here we go. Thank you, madam. Are you ready for another one? That's just sheer laziness, Rusty. Okay, this one's for you. Ready? Go along. Ooh, where'd she go? There's actually nobody here today, Rusty. The black bag, sweetie. That's got to be investigated, though. Good get. Good girl. This is why I wear a glove. Ooh, good. Seriously, Rusty, I couldn't have made that easier for you. Where's it, Rusty? Good girl, Pepper. Thank you. Rusty, you ready? You gotta go, go, go. Go, Rusty. So calm. Well done, buddy. Not supposed to be looking at me. Pepper, get a frisbee, sweetie. Good girl. Oh, okay, not quite good. Come on then. The frisbee. There's a good girl. Who's a good girl? Thank you. Oh, I'll be perfect for her. Hop. All good, big dog? You waiting? You going? You going? Just a little one. Absolutely nobody's going. I can't wait out for that one. Who's going to go? Rusty? It's not going to fetch itself. Attaboy. Here we go. Who have we got here? Hello, mate. Who's that? There we go. Good girl, thank you. All that way out there, got it. There. Oh, bad. Oh, that went a lot further out than I intended. Hello, mate, you're gonna go get that? Barney. Good girl, Pepper. Not for you today, Rusty. Come on in. Come on in. Let's go get you cleaned off. Come on. Come on. Who wants it? You're not having it, Rusty. You don't look after it. Take it. Go. There. Come on. Deep joy, Rusty. Proper Gagsville for me. Cannot do poo. Oh, must be not. Pepper, frisbee, go get it. Good girl. Atta girl. Want me to walk with it? I got it. Rusty's going to steal it. Nope, 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 nope. No, oh, you want to? Oh, you two are so gay when it comes to walking with a frisbee. Really? No, there used to be a poop. Oh, go on then. Right. Oh, don't. Oh, you'll find it. So, is there pooping up here? There's a massive sand lizard. It looks really cool. I'm surprised it's lasted here all this time. Pepper heel. Oh yeah, morning. Feisty little one. So, think this is called Lake Pier, isn't it? But either way, I'm going to shove them in here to clean them off. Don't forget your frisbee. I need your frisbee. No point putting it down. Oh, thank you. You are a pair of muppets. Let's go. Okay, so I get my face full of cobwebs. Or maybe not, someone's already been down here. Oh, ouch. Right, see if we can get her in. Nice clean water. Bloody great big cobweb. Good girl, all clean. And now we get Rusty in. We've got a whole Pepper back. No, you're going in, Rusty. Wait there. Thank you, Pepper. Pepper, stay. 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 Rusty, go. Go on, go and get cleaned off. Good boy. Nice bit of fresh, clean water. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. All done, let's go. Go. Take it away. Oh, you're a pain. Go, just walk with it. Just go, 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 go. Really? I might as well just carry it. Go, no, just take it. Go, prepare it. Go, take it. Go, Pepper. Okay. At least we've got the salt water off of them. Come on, let's go this way, it's easier. Where the hell was he running off to? Oh, you're back. Do I really have to keep picking it up? You know we can't throw it anywhere around here. What? All good? Come on. What is it? Oh, it's an eagle. Rusty, what is it? Go see off. What is it? And the first time he saw this eagle, he went apeshit at it. Thought it was real. Tried to jump up to it. Rusty, what's that? What is it? See off, Rusty. Like you'd ever see anything off. Pretty impressive bit of work. Rusty, what is it? Rusty, what is it? That's pretty cool. Needs a little bit of oiling. Is it wood? It is wood. It's starting to crack. Somebody needs to get some oil on it. Beautiful though. Come on, you two. is it, Pepper? Who's up here? Can I? Thank you. Oh, unlucky. There you are. Oh, he's waiting. Oh, bad throw. Thank you, darling. Good catch. Oh, dropped. Fumbled. Come on, we'll get you in a second, Rusty. Gotta get one catch in. Oh, hello, Harris Hawk. Is it a Harris Hawk? I can't remember. I've only seen it once before. Good catch. Nightjar, really? It's more like a hawk. Very pretty. Cool. Morning. Hello, mate.
Oh, hello.
Oh, you're just playing. He's just playing. Oh, hello.
Toby, good boy. No,
Has he forgotten the retrieving part of his job? There we go. Rusty, no, he's a puppy.
Oh,
thank you. Cheers. One more for the luck. Good catch. Good boy, Toby. He's beautiful.
You want one of them? I'll get you one.
Yeah. And it floats, which is bloody handy for these two.